This is my second day, 115 daily challenge when I'm trying to get fluent in English and improving speaking skills, talking to the camera, discussing different topics, discussing by myself. By the way, yesterday I started writing. Yeah, this was my first page. Yeah, only one page yesterday. About reading, I haven't started it yet because my book, I ordered the book online and it's still somewhere in a shipping way. Today I'm gonna explore the topic which called Why Learning a Third Language is Easier Than Second. To get this topic, I'm using the website ingo.com. It's available free for everyone. You can use it if you're learning English too. So that's a cool website. After that big text about this article, I see a lot of questions to improve my speaking skills, to just practice what I'm gonna answer to right now. Yeah, I wrote this article and I made sure that learning a third language is gonna be easier than a second because you already get used to this process. Your brain can get this information more easier, and you will see difference between, for example, grammar structures in your first language, in a second, and in the third language. When I already had that experience during the learning second language, when I will start learning the third language, I will consider that my past experience to not make that mistakes again. I will use my time more rationally. Question: what did you do the most difficult about learning your second language? The most difficult about learning English? I tend to think that this is find speaking skills and overcome that barrier when you're afraid to speak. Yeah, overcome this not to be shy. Just not to be afraid of making mistakes. Like, who will judge me if I'm making mistakes? And what next? I'm not native speaker. That's normal that I'm making mistakes. And you guys never be afraid of making mistakes. That's 100%. I'm sure, I firmly believe in this state. That's just speaking more. Speak with anyone. With native, with not natives, that doesn't matter, absolutely, even when I talk to the camera, but I'm not shy about it. Next question: are there any languages related to English that you've been interested in learning? Can I say that Spanish related to English? So I will learn Spanish with a great pleasure. Yeah, I love this culture, this language, and Spanish spoken people. Do you know many people who can speak 3 languages? Yes, I know not many people, but a couple, maybe 5, maybe 10. That's my friends from university, linguistics guys, and foreigner students. They speak, like, I know a guy who speak English and Spanish fluently, because he from Latin America, and he learned Russian. So he almost fluent in Russian, 3 languages and fluent language. It's great. My linguistic friends also speak like English, Chinese, Russian, Spanish. That's also motivation for me to keep learning. That's it's easy, it's possible to communicate to people. I'm enjoying this process. Third question: what will you say are the most useful languages to know? The most useful languages is right now English, Chinese, because the most popular languages in the world right now. Just look at the statistic and make these conclusions about this. What is the most popular? English and Chinese, I guess. But Chinese not such as spreads around the world. It's only in a small group of countries like China. English is a really spread language around the whole world. It will knowing English will be help you to survive in any country. 5th question: what foreign language did you learn in school? In school, I learned German language, but I learned it even before going to school in kindergarten. 1 year, it was just like in game style process. At school, I learned it since first year till 9th grade, but at school we didn't really develop our speaking skills. So right now I can't speak in German at all. I know only a couple of phrases in my memory. I just remember it still But if I will decide to learn German again more deeply, it will be much easier for me because I'm already familiar with grammar structures, and obviously after knowing English language, German is similar with English, like one group of languages, I guess. Even after 9 years of learning, how is it possible that, what is school system problem, I don't know, how children can learn this language 9 years and can speak? No. If you guys into this learning English or any language them, just follow me, subscribe, and watching this my challenge, watch my next videos. Is gonna be 100 more videos how I'm improving English skills to compare the result and the finish and the end of the challenge and right now. So bye bye guys. Cheers.